Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10 and let me show you how to enter here the safe mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Here from the following options, let's hold down on power off and the following safe mode pops up. Let's tap safe mode and let's wait until your device will be in a safe mode. Excellent, now you can use your device in a safe mode so you can check out how your device works without the third-party apps. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's simply press power key, choose here restart and tap restart again. Let's wait until your device will be in a normal mode. Now you can unlock the device and use your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.